rest of the plunger is going to be really easy. Let's just open up the plunger nut part, and I'm going to show the plunger nut body. Zoom in here, go to surfaces, filled surface, and just fill in a couple of these surfaces. And I don't know if I can actually do both at once. Looks like it's not going to let me. So I have to do one at a time. The same thing on the bottom. And go knit surface. Knit all three surfaces, and then I make sure to check try to form solid. And now we have one big solid block. And I can use my, if I go to my features, under the fillet tool, I can drop down and there's a chamfer tool that I can use instead. And I prefer, instead of angle distance, I choose distance. Choose this top edge, and then we'll set this to maybe 1 and 2. That'll make it nice and easy to control my chamfer to get it to look exactly the way that I want it to. So maybe this is 2.5 and this is 2. That looks a little bit better. Click OK. And now we'll just round this thing off with like 1mm fillets. And actually, I think 1mm is probably too big. We'll do a 0.5 millimeter. Perfect. That will be my nut. And we'll just pretend that that chops this thing, in half. Last, we need a shaft. Let's open up our shaft. And all we have to do to this one is just close it off, I think. At least for now. So we'll just do the same thing. We'll go surfaces, filled surface, get that one, get that one, and then knit them all together. Try to form solid. Close it up. And we need our ball on the top. All I'm going to do for the ball, show that surface. I'll use my front plane to mirror that ball body across. There we go. Now when I do my knit operation, under surfaces, knit, solid, boom. Do we lack anything else? I think that's it for our plunger. And now I think pretty much all we have left is the lid. Now since this was a quick video, I want to go ahead and point something out. I messed something up in the master model. I made this, this metal band doesn't go far enough in. It needs to be a little bit tighter there. So why don't we go ahead and make that change. Let's go open the master form part, and I'm just going to edit the original sketch that makes this up. Now if I just click on this surface, you see that it shows me the dimensions from the original sketch, making it really easy to change. So I'm just going to change this on the fly right here. Let's make this 0.1 inches. So this is nice and tight. And I'll make this 0.05. Now this is not going to update yet. I changed those. Why isn't it updated? Because it doesn't automatically update when you change it that way. To update it, you have to click on this up here, this rebuild button. Click on that, and there we go. That's a little bit better. Also, this diagonal line, it is too far out. So I need to change it a little bit. Right now it's 0.75 inches. Let's go into 0.5 inches. Click the update button. And I think that's going to work better for us. Close the document, save it, and everything should just update happily. Much better. And everybody's happy. The one thing is, it looks like we also could move this face back a little bit further. So we can go to our handle here. I'm going to open that part, and I'm going to go back in time before we put that last fillet on. And we already moved this face back a little bit because we moved both of these, but I just want to move this one back now. I want to move back a little bit more. So let's go Insert, Face, Move. You can move this face back, flip direction, And let's move it back by 0.05 inches. So we get a good little distance there. 0.03 maybe. I'll just roll back to the future. Close this document. That's a little bit better. Nice. Now if we were being really picky, we would add the features where this metal band connects into the handle, but I don't think that's going to matter one bit. Here we are. And I think our French press is coming along. Now all we have to add is the lid. Home stretch.